Good morning from Liljeholmskajen and the beautiful lake of Mälaren. I'm right now at Solbryggan and it's time for another beach adventure with Chris. So it is around 17 degrees Celsius this early in the morning, but it's so warm and so hot, so that I need to take an early morning swim today, as I will be going to the Taylor Swift concert tonight in the Friends Arena here. So that's gonna be awesome. So yeah, 8 a.m, 17 degrees Celsius in the air and 9 degrees Celsius in the water, and I am ready for another beach adventure with this view over to Södermalm that you can see, and the bridge also that connects Södermalm with the south part of Stockholm, mostly with Österberg. And here we have wonderful, beautiful houses and buildings, very modern architecture, so it's quite amazing. And this jetty is called Solbryggan. Alright, cool, then let's get going with the swim. And today's beach day number 36, or just a second, let's see, I need to double check, as I am quite unsure right now. Let's see. 38 actually. 38. So let's then get going, and while you enjoy this wonderful view of these modern buildings over here. Yes, in the water it is 9 degrees Celsius, I already measured, and it is a bit lower here because it is Mälaren. As you have seen, it was 12 and 13 the previous days in the smaller lakes. And we can see also right now the pendeltåg passing by from Årstaberg to Södra Stockholm. Pendeltåg is the, how to say, fast train that connects the suburbs that are longer away from Stockholm. It goes all the way from Nynäshamn and Södertälje and south and up north to Uppsala, which is another city, the fourth largest city in Sweden, but also to Märsta, where the airport is close by. Alright, 17th of May, Taylor Swift's concert day in Stockholm. I'm looking so much forward tonight to dance and vibe to 3-hour, or actually it will be almost 5-hour show, because it starts at 6 with the first band Paramore that I used to listen a lot when I was younger, and then so Paramore I will sing about 1 hour, and then Taylor Swift between 3 and 4 hours. It's gonna be amazing. Alright, then let's get going and start the day with a nice morning swim here from Solbryggan in Liljeholmskajen in Stockholm. Let's go! Amazing to start the day like this. The water is so still, nothing is moving, and they are also building new apartments over there close to the Liljeholmsbron that connects Hornstull and Liljeholmen. But yeah, look at those buildings. Isn't it amazing with these high buildings? I wouldn't say skyscrapers if I compare them to the Turning Torso in Malmö that I visited last weekend. But yeah, alright, cool. Now I need to start off with the day, and that's so much better when I kick it off like this with an early morning swim. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.